Channel. So playing Potion Explosion. My turn. Okay. It's a damn room. Okay.
You might want to pick one that you can use yellow and reds for, or if you want to go for a specific topper.
Don't you have a marble in your hand?
Ready.
What? I thought you did. I'm like, where did that marble go?
No.
Okay.
Okay, so go ahead and play one of your, or you can play both your reds over there.
Yeah.
Play your reds out. And then any left over,
Mom, can I have a soda?
you can get me another soda and we'll share it. There's one in the fridge. Okay? Did you want to, which one? Do you want to use this right away or you want to wait?
I'll wait.
Okay. Addison, it's your turn.
Hallelujah. Wait.
You gotta make sure they're gonna touch. If you take it from the bottom, that's the only one you're gonna get. Those aren't gonna touch.
Wait, if I take that one off, that touch there.
No, but these have to be the same color. See, so you're kind of screwed no matter what, because the only thing, if you take this one, the blues will touch and the reds will touch, and you'll get all those. But otherwise, there really isn't much over there.
It's a nice little box.
That's your call, dude. Okay, so give me those ones. All right, flip it over, put it on your...
I choose to use it now.
Put this away.
Okay, now I can
You
steal.
can steal someone's ingredients. So the only person you can steal from, I'll tell you that.
Thank you.
Okay, it's full now.
Yeah, but
Wait,
pick,
oh no, I
you gotta pick one of these.
You can play one of your yellow.
Let him do it. He's supposed to pick one of these first.
What does this do?
Let you reuse a potion you've already used. Okay, so play any ingredients that you can play. Just the one. Yep. Right. And it'll be my turn.
Whoa.
Not my best. Okay, stop with the slurping, guys. Really, not cool.
You finished the potion, right?
Yes, I did.
Yay.
Alright, so come over and put them out. And I pick a new potion. And I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And then I'm going to make the ones I have wild, so I can put these. And then I'm going to use this one to reuse this one.
Bye, guys.